Hey, David Bentley here. I'm just going to show you the difference, uh, real quick difference between not having the GravityStripe subscription management plugin and adding either the free version or the pro version. As you can see on the website, gravitystripe.com, we've got a list and sort of the breakdown for what you actually get if you just have Gravity Forms and the Stripe add-on, Stripe and the basic version of GravityStripe, and then of course Stripe and the GravityStripe Pro version. This plugin actually came out of necessity. We had a client of ours that wanted to be able to visualize a list of active clients without having to go into their Stripe account. In today's age, we've got so many different logins that we have to go in and constantly keep track of that we thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and create that and then go even further and add some additional features for the pro version. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I've got just a basic form set up on my website right now. A subscription form right here. It's a $15 subscription. If I can get to it. There we are. All right, so it's a $15 subscription, and I'm just going to fill this in. All right, and test card. There we go. And I'll submit that. Okay, so that went through. So if we jump into the back end here, go into forms, and I'm going to find my form. I think we're using this demo one. So this is obviously if you don't have the subscription management plugin in there, this is about the only capability you get to interface with your Stripe account at all for this particular user. So now David Johnson's going to be added over there at Stripe. That subscription for $15 is going to be set up. And this is your information right here. So the most that you can do is you can cancel the subscription. Um, this is a little bit of a pain in the ass for clients or subscribers signing up because they don't have any control over their subscription, and they've got to contact you and say, hey, I'd like to cancel my subscription, which, in itself, that could be a good thing. But at the same time, people nowadays are used to be able to go into their own account, cancel their subscription, upgrade subscriptions, downgrade subscriptions, update payment information, and stuff like that. So I can go in here and just cancel the subscription, click OK, and now this subscription has been canceled. Okay, so that's the only secondary functionality that you have to interface with Stripe once a subscription has been created. So I've already added the pro version of the plugin in here, and I'll show you the difference between the pro and the basic. So I'm going to go ahead and just activate on this. All right. So the first thing that you see is we've added all of the subscriptions in here, and this is going to be by form. So this thing's actually going to check for any form that has a subscription going on, and you'll see them all listed in here. You can also just get down to single forms and kind of drill down and say, okay, well, what's going on with the subscription here or the subscription form here? All right. So as you can see, David Johnson, this is me, subscription name, and the status of my subscription is now canceled. Okay. I can't do anything with this now because it's been canceled, but if we go back into it again, actually, then this, back up a little bit, this actually is part of the free version. So the free version, if you go over to the WordPress repository, you can go in Google and just type in GravityStripe. It'll probably come up. And you can go ahead and download it for free, add it into your website, and then you'll get this list of all the subscriptions. Okay. And then what you can also do associated with this is you can go into your pages, and you can actually add a short code on any of your pages, and that will give you the subscription list uh, for your subscriber to look at. Okay. Now, if this status, if I still had an active account, I could actually go in here and click the cancel button, which I'll show you in just a second. But these are the features that come with the free option. All right. So they can now go in, they can view their subscription, when it started, the amount. So this is going to pay $15 per day, the subscription name that they're signed up on. And then, of course, I've got the action in here. If I want to go ahead and cancel it, if it's active, I can do so by clicking the cancel button. Okay. You do not, if you don't want to give them the ability to cancel their subscription, you don't have to have this. You don't have to add the short code at all. This can just be an admin-facing option. But like I said earlier, it is nice for people to go in here and be able to manage their own subscriptions.